Y'all, I just got my hands on a new cordless tiller for my new in-ground garden. We're gonna check and see today if this is a game changer and a great tool for my new garden. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you as well. In today's video, whether you're a backyard gardener or a container gardener or just somebody that loves to grow their own food, we're going to put this tiller to the test and see what it can do. All right, here it is. This is my new tiller that I got from DEGGE, D-E-G-G-E. And what caught my attention is that it's cordless, no gas, no fumes, no cord to go around, and that it's very, very, very lightweight. It comes with two 21-volt lithium batteries and the charger for them, and this just snaps in place. It has a handle that you can move for your benefit, and what's really good is that it has 48 tines, and it produces more than enough power to turn the soil, to add fertilizer, or do anything that I want here in the in-ground garden, as well as my raised beds. Now, for those of you that don't know, my mother-in-law had the area where we are standing in cleaned off with a box blade by a neighbor friend. And now I'm just going to go through and till a little area. I'm going to add some mulch and some fertilizer to it. And we're going to plant my remaining tomato plants and sunflowers that I have been holding back in this area to see if we can grow some food. Let's get started. So we were able to plant a sunflower here, a variety of bell peppers here, and in the back we have some tomatoes, Heinz tomatoes, and some Ace 55. And overall, this is a good start. I'm going to need to do a lot more tilling and add some compost into this area until I get it to my liking. But it is a start, and the tiller did a fantastic job. So what's my verdict? Overall, I like it. It's very lightweight, it's economical, and it's easy to use when you're in the soil. It has a anti-guard or anti-accidental start button. It has a safety feature here on the side so that if you pull the trigger, it will not start. You have to engage it and then pull the trigger so that there won't be any accidental startings or anything like that. As I said, it's lightweight. The battery will last for 60 minutes of continuous use, and then, as I said earlier, it comes with 2 batteries, so you could really be out here for a long time without having to worry about recharging or anything like that. And as I said, very, very lightweight. It digs in. It can go down real deep. In my area here, we have clay soil, a mixture of clay soil and that really nasty white looking soil. So once you get down past the white soil, you run into the clay, and you have to put forth some effort in order for it to till, but it can be done. And as I said before, it needs some more soil laid down and tilled in along with some compost. But this is a good starter area for me. It's been a very long time since I actually grew something in ground. I usually use buckets or raised beds or containers. So I want to thank the company DEGGE, DEGGE, for sending this out to me. If you're interested, I have a link and discount code that will be in the description portion as well as the comment portion of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.